Volkswagen Jetta key fobs from 2019 to 2025 models use a split case design that you'll need to open to replace the battery. This design consists of two halves held together by internal clips and a rubber gasket. Locate the seam on the side of the fob. This is where the two halves meet. Gently insert a non-metallic pry tool, like a plastic pry bar or screwdriver, into the seam and twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to damage the clips. Create a small opening and gently work your way around the fob until it splits apart. Avoid using excessive force. Once the case is open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the correct polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Before reassembling, check for any moisture or debris inside the fob and clean as needed. Snap the two halves of the case back together, ensuring the rubber gasket is properly sealed to maintain water resistance. Test the fob's functionality, including remote start, lock-unlock, and panic alarm. If any issues arise, double-check the battery polarity and the alignment of the case. Experts say that improper reassembly accounts for a large percentage of key fob repairs, so testing on the vehicle post-repair is very important.